Since the inception of Central University of South Bihar, with enormous support by Ministry of Education, thousands of stakeholders dreamt of a beautiful campus, and its foundation stone was laid in the year 2015. Within a span of 5 years, the campus has been developed on the basis of new architectural design buildings with modern facilities. Let's take a tour with us. It starts from the huge entrance plaza, inside which you can see greenery both the sides. Journey from entrance to stupa reminds us of architecture of Buddhist era. This building is administrative block equipped with all modern amenities. You may find more than 15,000 trees planted in a campus. The building named after seasoned mathematician from Bihar, Aryabhatta. This Aryabhatta Bhavan accommodates all courses of science into it. This Malviya Bhavan accommodates School of Education, which offers various courses in education rights. With such a beautiful entrance, this Chanakya Bhavan, which accommodates all courses from social sciences. Just behind Chanakya Bhavan, this multi-storied building is Vivekananda Lecture Complex. The sports complex offers infinite space to the dreams of thousands of sports-loving students. Gargi and Maitriya Girls' Hostel are the home for many girls far from their homes. Next to the hostel, this is Vice Chancellor Residence. Here it is a beautiful guest house equipped with all modern amenities. This campus is zero water discharge campus with a step up of rainwater harvesting and recycling of wastewater. Central University of South Bihar is also known for energy efficient campus with more than 200 solar lights with huge power grid for 24-hour power backup. Its 8-kilometer journey via roads which intersect each other at 90 degrees. With tremendous development scope, this university is committed for the development of this region and serve the nation.